I love your hair. I love your vibe. I love everything.
We're
so
matching.
We're matching.
Matching.
Nat twinsies.
Bicolanas.
Hey, Bicolanas represent. Hello, Madine.
Hello, Madine.
Ano na, Madine?
I'm good. I'm doing well.
Ano, wait lang. Question. Taga saan ka?
Taga Albay.
Ako man.
Oh my God, mga Albayano, shoutout sa inyo! Shoutout sa mga Oragon.
Taga ano ko? Sa Legazpi ako nag-college.
Ay, sa Tiwi.
So I just want to ask you very quickly. You know, everybody pretty much got enchanted.
Hey, si Oliver, Salaysay, everyone. Sa drums, si Benjo, Kriste. JD Mustacho and We Are Kalain. Again guys, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. We're down to our last song. If you know this song, sing with us. Okay lang? Okay ba yan? Again guys, We Are Kalain. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys so much. We love you. Let's go! Again guys, We Are Kalain. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ciao.
Everybody say, show me! Thank you so much! Alright! JD, I'm going to ask you to stay. Thank you to the rest of Colleen. Ayan, JD, I'm holding you hostage here. Right here. Thank you to the rest of your bandmates, of course. Let's stay here in the center. Oh, kinakabahan ka. Huwag kang kakabahan. Gamitin mo yung mic.
Sure.
Kapag alala. Okay lang yan. JD, huwag kang kakabahan. I'm just gonna ask you a couple of questions before I let you go. As a band person, oh, we got the rest of your bandmates here. Hello, everybody. Anybody, para hindi ka daw kabahan. Ayan, so nandito sila for moral support. Pwede mong ipasa yung mic sa kung sino man yung gusto sumagot. I just have a question for all of you guys. Does anybody, or do you guys have any ritual that you like to do before you go on stage? Siyempre kasi di ba kabado kayo before you go on stage. Siyempre everybody is so hyped. Your fans are waiting for you. So is there one thing that you like to do before you guys like to go on stage for all your fans? Ano yon? Naka-on ba yung mic ni JD? You can test it? Ayun. Check. I love it. Nag-pray. Siyempre, dapat everything. How about you just use my mic?
Kami ng good performance. Thank you guys.
Okay,
volume up. Turn up the music, it plays right or turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers below? Turn up the music, fill your cup and drink it down. Put your hands up in the air. Oh, put your hands up. Yeah, if you're sexy and you know it. Show me fam! Ay, bumaba kayo! Let's go! Take me to the floor. I'll treat you like a pretty lady, no matter where you go. Give me some time, baby, and you know, even when ang damdamin ko, di naman ako, di naman. Sa isip ko, hinahanggan kita. At sana ang lahat ay tunay. Sana'y hindi pa naginip, o di kaya'y katang-isip na sana'y malaman mo. Mahal kita, walang iba na ibigin ang puso ko.
Thanks for tuning in. Can't wait to see you in my next video.